Chicken. High-quality protein for health. High-quality protein. Chicken is source of high-quality, complete protein, which means it has all essential amino acids your body needs for muscle maintenance and repair. Choline. Chicken has vitamin B6, important for brain development, nerve function, and metabolism. Weight management. Lean chicken is beneficial for weight management and muscle building due to its high protein content. Heart health. Chicken is a leaner source of protein that helps lower the risk of heart disease. Brain function. The vitamins and minerals in chicken are essential for brain development and cognitive function. Muscle health. Protein from chicken is crucial for muscle development and repair, making it a popular choice among athletes and individuals looking to build or maintain muscle mass. Low in saturated fat. Skinless, boneless chicken breast is particularly low in saturated fat, making it a heart-healthy choice when compared to fatty cuts of meat. Vitamin B6. Chicken has vitamin B6, important for brain development and function as well as the production of neurotransmitters. Vitamin B. Chicken has vitamin B6, essential for energy metabolism and DNA repair. Bone health. The phosphorus and protein in chicken are essential for maintaining healthy bones. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe Chef Chili.